everybody, welcome back to the channel. I got a package today, and it's a very exciting package. It's one that I've been waiting for a while now, and it's going to be the Real Grade Heavy Weapons expansion set from P-Bandai. This is my first P-Bandai. Excuse me if I'm really excited, but I'm really excited. This is my first P-Bandai kit, even though it is just an expansion, but I'm going to paint this up in the same way that I did my new Gundam and put it on my new Gundam so that it's got, this big, beefy, bulky, awesome look to it when it's sitting next to the Sazabi. I'm going to do an unboxing. This has been probably my first official unboxing, but I got it today and I honestly just couldn't wait. So as you can see, this front artwork is really, really cool. As I've seen in the past on other reviews of P-Bandai, it's in that like monochromatic kind of style, but it's kind of like flat and neutral. It's black and white, and you got that like faded look in the background of what he's going to look like after you get it all done. The nice action pose there. And other than that, it's pretty simple. This is just the expansion part. It's not the, full official kit, as I already have the kit, so no need in buying all that. So it's a smaller box, which is really, really nice. The side, you got your little warnings and the same artwork as you have here. Same artwork there. And there you have a little overview of what's in the box, what to expect after you've put it together. And other warnings, caution, and all that good stuff. And on the bottom, it just says HWS expansion set for New Gundam. So I'm going to get this stuff off, open it up, and we'll take a look at what's inside. Okay, so now I have it opened up. We'll take a look at the runners here. As you can see, this looks like part of the leg, the chest, which has all those awesome missiles on it, which I'll be doing something other than just white on those. That's the back of the chest that goes on the back of those. This is the front skirts, rear skirts, and looks like part of the gun there. And on the back side we have inner frame, which I'm going to be doing in that duraluminum like I did the rest of the inner frame on the other one. So inner frame for the legs, backing for the side skirts, rear skirts, or front skirts, rear skirts. Looks like missile covers and some little hatch gimmicks there. Next we have parts of the shield. There's not many runners either, which is really great. But parts of the shield with the Mega Beam Particle Cannon, parts of the beam rifle, the parts that go around the legs. And on the other side, which is what these are on, we got the fins for the shield, Mega Beam Particle Cannon, looks like more beam rifle stuff. Pretty cool. Shield components in that dark blue, which I'll be doing probably a couple work in progress videos on this, where I will go over what I didn't go over in my actual new work in progress stuff, is doing the blue color. I had a lot of comments asking about the blue and how I did the blue, so I'll go over in this one how to do the blue. And here we have the rest of the shield. That thing is beefy. I'm loving this. I'm gonna love this. I can't really see it. The other leg piece, part of the gun, other parts of the gun, and not really sure what that is, but probably part of the shield. And of course, sticker style decals, which I will not be using. I purchased the Delpy decals for this kit that I will grab momentarily and show off. Let me do that now. Okay, so I found the Delpy decals, and as you can see, I got the holographic just like I used on the original, and these are the ones intended for the heavy weapons system. I'm going to use probably all of these, and it's going to look fantastic. Now we'll move on to the instructions. Honestly, pretty plain, which, like I said, this is the expansion. I'm not sure about the full version, if it would actually have this manual and the original manual in it. Compared to the original manual here, you can see that it's very, very simple in design. This one, has like pages in the middle that are, detail oriented and goes into more, color and stuff like that, where this one seems to be just straightforward instructions like you would get in pretty much any other real grade setup. You got a little layout of the runners here. Of course, with every other kit ever, it's showing you how to, nip them off. That's actually undergated, which is making me happy because I love undergated stuff. Backside shows where to put the decals in a actual, black and white line art, which is pretty cool. That's different. Usually on the real grades, you have like a full color sheet in the back. But as you can see, it's chock full of decals. And like I said, I'll use probably every single one of them, if not some that were left over from the previous. We'll see. I'll make it look really good. And, you got front and back, what to do, how to change the parts out. And I'll probably show on camera me actually doing that process, but give it a good look at that. So that's it. That's it for the unboxing. Like I said, I will be doing a couple work in progress videos on this. I'm not sure how many, but it'll be a few. Like I said, I want to go over how to do that blue. As far as the rest of the stuff, I'm probably not going to worry about like how-tos or anything, because if you want to know how to paint the rest of it, I did go over all that in the videos up until now for the new. So that's going to do it for this one. I know it's a really short one, but short, sweet, to the point. Little unboxing. I look forward to building this kit very much, and adding it to my new and showing you guys the finished product. So like and subscribe would be appreciated if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.